children, we are starting block 7 S4 children. Last, so that we can complete our block 7. We can finish our block 7 if we complete this LP4. So in block 7, adding 2 digits plus 1 digit. LP4 is add 2 digits and 1 digit. So he told to add 2 digits and 1 digit. Let's find out children. I have 11 toffees. I get 7 more. How many toffees do I have now? So how many I have children? Now we have to find out. So here is 11 toffees. So I have written here 11 plus 7 more he told. So 7. Let's do with our help of our 10 frames. Okay children? We have drawn here a frame. Now children, 11 plus 7. So first I have drawn a 10 frame. In this 10th frame we have 10. And one more frame I have drawn here. And here is 1, 11. So 10 plus 1 is 11. So more how many we need here? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total all over how many are there? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we have written here 18. So answer is 18. How many toffees do I have now? So means 18 toffees. Okay children, this is a story problem. Okay children, with the help of story problem, we have to do this addition and with the help of 10 frames. Now I want you to show the example on the board children. Okay, this is the addition fact which we have. This is the addition children, addition sums. First A1 is 24 plus 7. So let's do 24 plus 7. Okay children. So 24 plus 7. So first we have to write here ones and tens. So this is a single digit number. And this is one more 2 digit numbers. So this 2 digit number and this single digit number, we have to find out the answer. So now here is this here 2 digit number and here single digit number. So this single digit number 7 will come in ones place. Okay children, this 7 will come in ones place. So 7 plus 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I am writing here 11. So 11 is in ones place, this is tens place. So 1 and 1. So 1 and 1 is 11. So 1 is in ones place, 1 is in tens place. So this tens place, this 1 we have to write. So this is ones place children. Ones place, this 1 we have written here. And tens place we carry out here 1. So this 1 will write here. Okay children? So now 2 plus 1 is 3. So the answer is 31. So we are writing here 31. So one more example I will show you children here. 73. Single digit number is 7. So the same way here is ones place and tens place. So in ones place 3, 7. So 7 plus 3. 7, 8, 9, 10. So I am writing here 10. So ones place and tens place. So here in ones place we have to write here 0. In tens place this 1 we have to carry here. So 7 plus 1 is 8. So answer is 80. So we are writing here 80. Okay children? Thank you. Now children, let's open our reader, page number 52. Now you have given some example here. Add 2 digits and 1 digit. We can add 2 numbers mentally in our head. If we know our addition facts, we use addition facts to add 2 numbers quickly. Okay children. Now here 8 plus 9 is 17. 18 plus 9 is 27. These in previous first class you have learned, children. Okay. Now let's know this single digit number. These are the single digit numbers. 0. 0 is a single digit. So 0 plus 0 is 0. Always 0 only, children. Now 1 plus 3. So these two are single digit number. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. 4 plus 8 is 12. Now these are single digits. Now let's go to two digit numbers. So 90 plus 0 is 90. So this is 71 plus 2. So this ones place we are going to add, children. Here 2 plus 1 is 3. So always this in tens place. Here is nothing is there. So we carry out this 7 here. 52 plus 4. So 2 plus 4 is 6. This 5 have come here. Now 3 plus 6 is 9. So this 3 will come here. 24 plus 8. Now this, here we have come to two digit, children, again. Now children, here 4 plus 8 is 12. So here also 4 plus 8 is 12. So here 1 carry and here 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3, 32. Okay, children? Open your page number 42. In page number 42, S4, add 2 digits and 1 digit, children. 2 digits and 1 digit. Write today's date, 14/10/2020. Now solve 24 plus 7. Now 24. So 2, 4, 24. So in ones place we have 4 here and in tens place we have 2. So this is 7. 7 we have to write in ones place. So 24 plus 7. So first we have to add this 2. 4 plus 7 is 11. So we are writing here 11. So in 11, this is ones place and this is tens place. So in ones place we have written here 1. So this tens place, this 1 we have to carry forward here. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So the answer is 31. So do this B1, C, D, E, F, children. Okay, these are the additions. Now next, add. So we are going to add now. Here it is already given tens and ones. So 23. So in ones place here it is 3 and tens place here is 2. So 23. So we have to write here 23. 23 plus 8. This is ones place. So 8. Now 23 plus 8. 3 plus 8 is 11. So 1 carry and 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 31. Okay, children. Next here is 34. So 34, ones place and tens place. Ones place is 4, tens place is 3. 34. So we are writing here 34 plus 9. 9 is in ones place. So 4 plus 9 is 13. 1 here and 3 we have to write here, children. So 1 plus 3 is 4. Okay, children. Thank you very much. And let's open our classbook books, children. Classwork, children, let's open our classwork. Draw the margin. Write today's date, 14/10/2020. Block 7. Adding 2 digits plus 1 digit. Okay. So first is add 2 digits and 1 digit using 10 frames. So first one is 21 plus 7. So 21 plus 7 is how much? Let's draw the 10 frame. Use color pencil, children. Okay. First take one color here. So 21. So here is 10 frames. So how many are there here? 10. So in the second frame, how many are there? 10. So 10, 10, 20. So one more frame we need. So we have filled here 10, 10. Let's go for one more frame here. In this frame, 10. So 10, 20 plus 1 is 21. So 1 we have drawn here, 21. Take one more crayon and this 7 we have to use one more color. So here 7 are there. Come on, draw here 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total how many are there here? 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So the answer is 28. Okay, children? Now B1 children. 32 plus 4 is, draw the 10 frames and do children. Okay children. C1. 23 plus 7. You have to draw the frames and use the color pencils. Okay children. Let's come to second bit. The second bit is add by using common method. Add by using column method. Okay children. This is the column method. Before I have explained you in the workbook and on the board also children. Let's do here. A1 is 37 plus 2. Okay, column method. What is there here? 37 plus 2. Ones place and tens place. So here in ones place 7 plus 2 is 9. So this 3 we are writing here 39. Now next one is 22 plus 5. 22 plus 5. So ones place is 2, 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. So in tens place this 2 we have to write here children. C1 77 plus 3. D1 is 12 plus 9. Okay. By doing this classwork we have finished our block 7 completely. Okay children. See you in your next class. Thank you very much.